Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading. What an epic day. What a day this was. So, this video will probably be uploaded on Tuesday. This trading took place on Monday, which was an absolutely most epic, wild, crazy day that I've seen in a long time. From the Dow dropping over 1,000 points to finishing in the green. It's truly remarkable. The market was extremely sold off. The RSI was extremely oversold. The levels we haven't seen since March 2020. So, what we witnessed here today was a market crash. Crash and burn to an all-time beautiful recovery. And I'm going to show you guys how and what led to my over $1,000 of profit trading the trend. That's all I did. Traded the trend. So here's my broker. This is my platform, Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade. And I traded 11 trades today. I took 11 trades because the market was setting up so nice. And I went 11 for 11. A perfect game. Does not happen often. So as you can see here, the market is finishing in the green from extremely deep red. This is what I traded today. This is the Dow Jones futures. So that's what we traded. I'm going to show you guys. These are my orders. And you can see my trades are extremely fast. Very, very fast. We're talking, 6 seconds here, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. You can do the math here. These are all extremely quick scalp trades in a market this volatile with the VIX up that much. It was going to be moving very quickly, and that's how I traded it. And I traded it with the trend. So here we go. This is what the stock market looks like from early Monday morning. So coming out of the futures on Sunday evening, we continued to just sell off pretty dramatically. Really, really just a huge sell-off from top to bottom. We're talking, 1,200 points or so, 1,100 points, just a massive drop. So dialing in the trading day, this yellow line is VWAP. For those that don't know, I'm sure there's a million videos. I have videos about what this means. Basically, if the market is trading under VWAP, that's very bearish. When it gets over VWAP, as you can see here, it breached it, came back down, and then just continued to rip. Trading over it is considered more bullish at that point. And you can see the market, even in after hours, is still moving. 34,190 to, wow, that's like 50 points in that 1 minute candle. So you guys can obviously tell you're looking at the whole day right here. And what I'm going to show you guys is my trades. So let's pull that out and we'll do click show trades. All right. This is my trades from today. This is when I started, 5 a.m. You guys saw on the monitor there. Started at 5, took a couple of scalps right here, not up a lot, but in the green, and then the market sells off. So right here, and I'm just going to zoom in and show you guys how strong, how important trend lines are. If we take a look at this, we're going to notice, so the start of the day, touching this top right here, right? Touching this top right here, touches this top here, and goes all the way down to here. You have, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so that you guys can see if you're watching on mobile or wherever you're watching. You can see this trend a little more clearly. Cannot make higher highs, okay? All it's doing this whole way down is it's making lower lows and it's making lower highs. This is what I mean by trading with the trend. So during this part of the day right here, I'm just shorting this whole move down. And the way that I'm doing it is every time we get a drop and a bounce back, I'm taking a short. Bounce back, taking a short. Bounce back, taking a short. Same thing. And I'm selling it within seconds, just taking advantage of this trend right here. Coming up to this is where we started to change. Okay. You can see it's starting to bottom out. And now we've put in a bit of a base. In order for a reversal to start, it needs to start making higher highs and higher lows. And that's exactly what it starts to do right here. Just connecting these trend lines right here. You can see it's just making higher highs, higher lows, and then it breaks this trend line. Once it broke that trend line, it comes back up, it hits our resistance line, and I take another short here. I am not bullish the market until it starts to change direction. So it has to get over this trend line right here. Once it does that and it gets over, now all of a sudden my bias changes and we start to get bullish. And that's what happened right up here. I took 2 scalps towards the end of the trading day. So at this point, I'm already up, over $800 or so. I wanted to just wait and see if this rally was, real or not. And with 10 minutes to the bell, 5 minutes to the bell, sometimes you can see those rugs be pulled. So you have some short covering, obvious short covering here, and then it held up. So I got in long 2 times here because now the trend is obviously going long and we're starting to get, green for the day. So this is trading with the trend. The whole way down, I'm not going to go long. Shorting every single push up. These are great entrances here towards the top of this trend line. And then the same thing goes for the other side here. We get some different trends. Once the trend breaks, that's when there's a new trend that is established. It just ebbs and flows in the overall market. A lot of times, you start to see that dip buying. We haven't seen it because the market has been so beaten up. And you can see here after hours, this thing is still going up over 100 points now after the session ended. So was this the bottom? Did the bottom set in? It's possible that it did. We won't know for a couple of days. We need to see some follow-through days. But right now, it does look pretty good. This is incredible. Look at that keep going. The market is not even open right now. This is all after hours. 150 points. Crazy moves right now. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. It really is just watching those trends, the higher highs, the higher lows, and, trading inside that zone. That's really all day trading is. Try to make it simple on yourself. Don't buck the trend until the trend changes. When the trend changed today, you can see very clearly that's why the stock market continued to rocket up. So you had the downtrend and then you had the uptrend. When you're going in the uptrend, you want to be long the market. When you're downtrending, you obviously want to be shorting it. So that's it, guys. 11 for 11 today. Very rare. Very excited about this trading day. I don't know if it'll happen again where I go something like that. That's pretty incredible. Going, a perfect game basically, and getting over $1,000 of profit. So that's it, guys. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you like what you see, hit the thumbs up. And if you want to join the Green Bar Trading community and have full access to me and all the traders in there, the link will be in the description. We would love to have you. Other than that, I'll see you back tomorrow. Take care, guys.